Is plastic bottled water dangerous? Microplastics inside. What science reveals and how you can protect your health. Dear friends, what if something as simple as the water you drink every day is quietly influencing your health in ways you never imagined? Not through taste, not through smell, but through something invisible. Every day, millions of people reach for bottled water, believing it is cleaner, safer, and healthier. It has become a symbol of purity, a symbol of trust. But today, science is asking us to pause and to reconsider, because what we are now discovering is not about fear, it is about awareness. Not about panic, but about making wiser choices. And once you understand this, you will never look at your daily water the same way again. The new scientific discovery. Recent advanced research published in high-impact journals, such as the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, has revealed something remarkable. Using cutting-edge imaging technology, scientists have found that a single liter of bottled water may contain hundreds of thousands of tiny plastic particles. These are called microplastics, larger but still microscopic. Nanoplastics, so small they can enter cells. Now pause for a moment. We are not talking about visible pollution. We are talking about particles so small they can interact with your biology. And this is not just one isolated study. Research published in PLOS One and findings supported by institutions like Columbia Climate School confirm that these particles are widely present in our environment, including drinking water. Even the World Health Organization acknowledges that microplastics are now found in water globally. And while the long-term effects are still being studied, reducing exposure is considered a sensible precaution. But why should this matter to you? You may ask, "Doctor, if this is everywhere, why should I worry?" That is a fair question. Let us look at what human studies are now showing. Scientists have already detected microplastics in human blood, the placenta, the life support system of a baby, lung tissue, even inside cells. This tells us something very important. These particles are not just passing through your body. They can enter, circulate, and potentially interact with your organs. Now, does this mean they are definitely causing disease? Not yet proven. But does it mean we should ignore it? Absolutely not. Because medicine has always taught us one powerful principle: prevention is wiser than waiting for proof of damage. The silent biological effects, what science suggests. Let us understand this simply. When very tiny foreign particles enter the body reacts. 1. Inflammation. Your immune system may recognize these particles as foreign and trigger low-grade inflammation. And we now know chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, cancer, neurodegeneration. 2. Blood vessel health. Your blood vessels are lined with delicate cells called the endothelium. Emerging evidence suggests these particles may increase oxidative stress, reduce nitric oxide, important for circulation. Over time, this can affect blood pressure, circulation, organ health. 3. Brain health. The smallest particles, nanoplastics, are so tiny that scientists are studying whether they can cross protective barriers like the blood-brain barrier. If that happens, it raises important questions about memory, neuroinflammation, long-term brain health. 4. Kidney load. Your kidneys are filtration organs. Anything circulating in your blood eventually passes through them. For seniors and patients with diabetes, hypertension, kidney disease, this added burden may become clinically relevant over time. Why? This is especially important for seniors. As we age, detoxification capacity reduces. Kidney function may decline. Blood vessels become more sensitive. Inflammation increases naturally. So even small exposures over years may have a larger impact. This is why this topic is not just scientific, it is deeply practical. Let us be clear, no fear, only facts. It is very important to stay balanced. Science has not yet proven that microplastics directly cause specific diseases. But science has proven they are present in our bodies. They can interact with biological systems. They may contribute to stress pathways. So the question is not, is this dangerous right now? The real question is, can we reduce unnecessary exposure easily? And the answer is yes. Simple, powerful steps you can take today. This is where empowerment begins. You do not need expensive solutions. You need informed decisions. 1. Choose better water sources. Use home filtration systems, RO plus carbon filters. Prefer freshly filtered water over stored plastic bottles. 2. Change your containers. Use steel or glass bottles. Avoid long-term storage in plastic. 3. Avoid heat plus plastic. Never leave water bottles in hot cars. Avoid heating food in plastic containers. Heat accelerates chemical and particle release. 4. Reduce packaged consumption. Less processed food. Less plastic exposure. Choose fresh, natural foods whenever possible. 5. Support your body naturally. Stay hydrated. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Maintain good blood sugar and BP. Stay physically active. Your body has remarkable repair systems. Support them. A shift in perspective. This is not just about water. This is about how modern life is changing our exposure to invisible environmental factors. For years, we focused on sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure. Now, we are entering a new era of medicine. Environmental and cellular health. And those who understand early benefit the most. Closing thoughts. Let me leave you with this thought. Your body is not just a machine. It is a living, intelligent system, constantly responding to what you give it. Every sip of water you drink, every choice you make, is a signal to your body. A signal toward health or stress, longevity or gradual decline. The good news? You are in control of many of these signals. You do not need fear. You do not need perfection. You only need awareness and small, consistent changes. Because health is not built in one day. It is built in daily decisions. So the next time you reach for a bottle of water, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this the best choice for my body? And if the answer is not clear, choose the wiser path. Your future self, your brain, your heart, your kidneys, will thank you. So let us stay informed, stay hydrated, and most importantly, choose wisely. Thank you. Founder, Holistic Wellness Foundation. IMFAL, Healing Beyond Boundaries.